Video released by the Elephant Nature Park, Thailand, shows 4 elephants wading through the floodwaters.
There are continental giants that aren't so big, it's just ours seem to be enormous.
Imagine a world where the creatures that inhabit the Earth are not only fascinating, but also gigantic, surpassing the limits of our imagination. From the deepest corners of the ocean to the most remote heights of the mountains, nature has created beings of enormous sizes. And the best part is that, thanks to technology, we have been able to capture these epic moments on film. In this journey, we will explore the 50 largest creatures ever filmed. From the size of a dinosaur to gigantic sea monsters, get ready to be amazed by the magnitude of these impressive creatures. It's time to discover the most colossal wonders of our planet. Number 50. Brody the bear. Brody, a Kodiak bear, is one of the most impressive and massive creatures in the animal kingdom. This trained actor, raised since he was a cub, reached a weight of 1,400 pounds and an imposing height that exceeds that of a basketball hoop. While he doesn't hold the record for his species, a Kodiak weighing 2,200 pounds, his size is enough to leave anyone in awe. Brody has appeared on magazine covers and TV shows, showcasing both his strength and friendly nature. Number 49. Elephant seals. Southern elephant seals are the largest and most carnivorous pinnipeds on the planet, reaching lengths of up to 22.5 feet and weighing around 11,000 pounds. They are expert deep divers, capable of plunging to depths of 6,600 feet and holding their breath for more than 2 hours. Their enormous size and diving capabilities allow them to hunt prey in extreme depths, from squid to fish. The northern elephant seal, a close relative, is also a marine giant, and walruses complete the podium of the most imposing pinnipeds. Number 48. Condors. Condors are the largest birds of prey in the world, with 2 species standing out in size. The Andean condor has a wingspan of more than 10 feet, while the smaller California condor has a wingspan of up to 9.5 feet. Both are powerful scavengers with exceptional vision to spot dead animals from great distances. Their impressive size allows them to soar for hours, using thermal currents to effortlessly glide through the sky. Number 47. Largest sturgeon. The beluga sturgeon is the largest known freshwater fish and one of the oldest, holding a record of up to 24 feet long and 3,500 pounds. It inhabits the basins of the Caspian and Black Seas, where it primarily feeds on fish and mollusks. In addition to its size, this fish is famous for its caviar, one of the most expensive in the world. Beluga sturgeons are endangered due to overfishing and habitat destruction. Number 46. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world, and one specimen caught near Karachi in 2012 left everyone speechless. It measured 36 feet long and weighed an astonishing 15,000 pounds. This giant, which surpasses the size of many whales, feeds by filtering tiny particles from the water with its enormous mouth, not with the 300 teeth it possesses. Surprisingly, it is a peaceful and gentle animal, and it is common for divers to swim alongside these colossi without any danger. Number 45. Green anaconda. The green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world, can reach impressive lengths of up to 30 feet and weigh up to 550 pounds. In a famous 2019 video, a 13-foot anaconda was seen slithering across a road in Brazil. With its size and strength, this snake is capable of capturing prey as large as deer and jaguars. Additionally, it can hold its breath underwater for up to 10 minutes, allowing it to hunt without being seen. Number 44. Big Bill the pig. Big Bill, a hybrid pig from Poland and China, was the largest pig ever recorded in history, weighing an impressive 2,552 pounds and standing 5 feet tall at the shoulders. This giant pig reached a length of 9 feet from head to tail. His incredible size made him famous in 1933, although unfortunately, he could not fulfill his destiny of being exhibited at the 1933 Chicago World's Fair due to an injury that cost him his life. Big Bill remains a legend in the history of livestock farming. Number 43. Giant Mekong catfish. Caught in the Mekong River in Thailand, the giant Mekong catfish is one of the most surprising creatures in the aquatic world. This freshwater titan can reach lengths of 9 feet and weigh 646 pounds. Lacking teeth and scales, it is a fascinating and gentle fish that mainly consumes algae and plants. Despite its colossal size, the giant Mekong catfish is endangered, making its existence and protection even more valuable. Number 42. Lion's mane jellyfish. The lion's mane jellyfish is the largest jellyfish in the world and also the longest animal on the planet. Its bell can reach over 2 meters in diameter, and its tentacles can extend up to 36.6 meters, longer than a football field. It inhabits the cold waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic, and despite its imposing size, its beauty and fragility make it one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. However, due to environmental threats, it is endangered. Number 41. Atlantic blue marlin. The Atlantic blue marlin is an impressive fish, capable of reaching up to 16 feet in length and weighing over 1,400 pounds. This fast fish is known for its ability to swim at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. In 1992, a record specimen was captured in the waters of the Atlantic, and its size surpassed that of other marlins, including the black marlin. These fish also have the unique ability to change the color of their bodies to reflect their emotional state, a trait that is very rare among fish. Number 40. Megabats. Megabats, or fruit bats, are some of the largest bats in the world. The Philippine flying fox has a wingspan of up to 1.7 meters, giving it a majestic presence in the air. Despite their size, these bats are herbivores and mainly feed on fruits and nectar. Megabats are essential to the ecosystem by helping with pollination and seed dispersal, contributing to the maintenance of tropical forests. Number 39. Giant river otter. The giant river otter is the largest member of the weasel family, with an impressive size that can exceed 6 feet in length and weigh between 48 and 70 pounds. Also known as the river wolf or the water jaguar, this otter has incredibly powerful jaws capable of breaking turtle shells or stripping scales from piranhas. It inhabits the rivers of South America, where it is a formidable predator, but also plays a crucial role in conserving aquatic ecosystems by maintaining the balance of species in its environment. Number 38. Giant bull knickers. The giant bull knickers is not just an imposing bovine, but a true phenomenon in the world of farm animals. With a height of over 6 feet and weighing 3,086 pounds, this Holstein Friesian steer is so large that it cannot pass through slaughterhouse machinery. Now, Knickers enjoys life on a farm, where it is a local celebrity and a symbol of grandeur in the animal kingdom. Number 37. Mastana the goat. Meet Mastana, the Amritsari goat, who holds the title of Pakistan's heavyweight champion with an impressive weight of 520 pounds and a length of 6 feet. In addition to its imposing size, goats, like the beetle, are extremely intelligent, capable of solving problems and recognizing human faces and emotions. Giant goats are known for their curiosity and learning abilities, making them fascinating animals and, in some cases, unusual pets. Number 36. African giant snail. The African giant snail is an impressive mollusk that can grow up to 39.3 centimeters in length and have a shell measuring 27.3 centimeters. This garden giant is heavier than many of its relatives, weighing up to 900 grams. The incredible thing about this snail is its longevity. It can live up to 25 years and can lay up to 1,200 eggs annually. Despite its size, its calm nature makes it a popular pet, although it is also an invasive pest in some parts of the world due to its reproductive capacity. Number 35. Dromedary camel. The world's largest dromedary camel is a marvel of nature. This giant stands up to 7 feet 10 inches tall and weighs 1,521 pounds. With its iconic hump and a body perfectly adapted to survive in the harshest deserts, the dromedary can withstand extreme temperatures and survive on minimal amounts of water. Its ability to feed on thorny plants and survive without water for long periods makes it one of the most resilient and fascinating animals on the planet. Number 34. Largest dog, Tibetan Mastiff. The Tibetan Mastiff, known for its size and strength, is one of the largest dog breeds in the world. Originating from the highlands of Tibet, this dog can weigh up to 250 pounds and measure over 5 feet in height on its hind legs. Marco Polo described it as being as large as a donkey and with the voice of a lion. With its impressive size, the Tibetan Mastiff is a formidable guardian and a loyal companion. Number 33. Lolong the crocodile. Lolong, a saltwater crocodile captured in the Philippines in 2011, held the title of the largest crocodile in captivity ever recorded, with a length of 6.17 meters and a weight of 1,075 kilograms. This colossus was a living legend until his death in 2013 due to health problems. His legacy endures at the National Museum of Natural History in Manila, where his body is preserved for future generations to marvel at. Lolong represented not only the power of nature, but also the challenge of conserving the ecosystems where these reptiles live. Number 32. Zafir the dog. Zafir is a black Caucasian shepherd dog, a giant weighing 100 kilograms and standing up to 90 centimeters tall. With a massive head that could swallow a human hand whole, Zafir is known not only for his size, but also for his loyalty and ability to protect his loved ones. This giant dog is a true guardian, fiercely protective, and despite his size, surprisingly affectionate and noble. Number 31. Largest eagle. The Steller's sea eagle is the largest of the sea eagles, with a wingspan that can exceed 2.5 meters, wider than a king-sized bed. Native to Russia, this impressive hunter can lift prey weighing up to 7 kilograms, making it a formidable predator. Its size and ability to hunt in extreme conditions make it one of the most imposing birds in the sky. Number 30. Atlas, moth. The Atlas moth is one of the most impressive butterflies on the planet, with a wingspan that can reach up to 30 centimeters, surpassing the size of many small birds. This majestic moth, native to Southeast Asia, is known for its incredible wing pattern that mimics the eyes of a snake, serving as a defense mechanism. Although its life is short, lasting only 1 to 2 weeks, its size and beauty leave a lasting impression on those who are fortunate enough to see it. Number 29. Goliath bird-eating tarantula. The Goliath bird-eating tarantula, known for its colossal size and terrifying appearance, is the heaviest spider in the world. With a diameter of up to 12 inches and a weight of 6 ounces, this arachnid can produce a hissing sound from a distance of up to 15 feet. Despite its name, it rarely hunts birds, feeding mainly on frogs, insects, and rodents. However, its size and appearance ensure that this spider will never go unnoticed. Number 28. Largest gorilla. The eastern lowland gorilla male, known as Phil, weighed an impressive 860 pounds, more than a grizzly bear, and was over 6 feet tall. Although gorillas are known for their calm temperament, their size and strength are remarkable. These animals, which share 98% of their DNA with humans, can consume up to 40 pounds of vegetation daily and have more than 20 different forms of communication. Gorillas like Phil have helped raise awareness about species conservation. Number 27. Largest lobster. The largest lobster ever captured weighed 44 pounds and measured 3 feet 6 inches in length. It was captured in 1977 off the coast of Nova Scotia, Canada. This ocean giant could live for more than a century, devouring all kinds of fish, mollusks, and other crustaceans. After its capture, it was donated to the New York Aquarium, where it lived for 3 more years. Its colossal size made it a fascinating creature and a reminder of the ocean's amazing diversity. Number 26. Giant rats. Giant rats are a surprising reality in some parts of the world. The Bosavi woolly rat, found in Papua New Guinea in 2009, is the size of a cat and can measure up to 32 inches in length. But the record is held by the Carifimes rat, which lived 2,000 years ago in Indonesia and reached an impressive length of 3.3 feet and weighed up to 11 pounds. Although their size is impressive, giant rats are not necessarily more dangerous than their smaller counterparts. However, their size makes them one of the most astonishing species. Number 25. Cassowary. The cassowary, known as the feathered giant of New Guinea and Australia, is not just a bird, but a true monster of nature. The smallest cassowary stands over 3 feet tall, but the southern cassowary can exceed 5.5 feet, taller than many grizzly bears. Weighing up to 167 pounds, this solitary and territorial bird fiercely defends an area of up to 7 kilometers, especially during mating season. Its powerful legs and distinctive casque on its head make it one of the most formidable birds on the planet. Number 24. Giant tortoise. The giant tortoises of the Galapagos and Aldabra are true titans of the animal kingdom. Weighing up to 919 pounds, Galapagos tortoise, and 550 pounds, Aldabra giant tortoise, these creatures can live for more than 100 years and travel great distances. The Galapagos tortoise has a long neck that allows it to reach branches several meters off the ground, while the Aldabra tortoise can survive without food or water for months, storing fat in its neck. They are symbols of longevity and resilience. Number 23. Blue whale. The blue whale is not only the largest animal on Earth, but also the heaviest. This marine giant can measure up to 100 feet in length and weigh 200 tons, equivalent to the mass of 33 elephants. Its heart is as heavy as a car, and its tongue could be larger than an adult elephant. Despite its colossal size, this majestic creature primarily feeds on krill, consuming up to 40 million of them daily. Additionally, its songs are so powerful that they can be heard up to 500 miles away. Number 22. African elephants. The African savanna elephant is the largest land animal on the planet, reaching up to 13,000 pounds and a length of up to 22 feet. African elephants, known for their intelligence, have incredible memory and can remember friends and enemies for decades. These animals also show complex emotions and have very advanced communication, using low-frequency sounds that can travel for miles to communicate with other members of their herd. Number 21. Carp. The giant barb is the largest carp in the world and was captured in Thailand in 2019. This giant weighed 232 pounds and measured nearly 9 feet in length. Carp, which have existed for more than 20 million years, are now an endangered species due to overfishing and habitat loss. The capture of this record specimen demonstrates not only its impressive size, but also the urgent need to preserve their natural habitats. Number 20. Giant jellyfish. The giant ghost jellyfish is a deep-sea creature that, although not alien, could easily inspire a science fiction movie. This jellyfish can reach a diameter of up to 20 feet, and its tentacles can extend up to 33 feet. A resident of cold waters, it survives in the Arctic and northern Pacific Oceans. Although a video of a fighter jet shooting down a giant jellyfish in New Mexico is a hoax, real giant jellyfish are equally impressive, reminding us of how strange and beautiful the marine world is. Number 19. Muscular kangaroos. Muscular kangaroos, like Ripped Roger and Dave, are true athletes of nature. Standing over 6 feet tall and weighing around 200 pounds, these kangaroos are at the top of the food chain in Australia. Their enormous muscles allow them to jump up to 30 feet and run at speeds of up to 44 miles per hour. They use their powerful legs to fight for dominance and defend their territory, earning them a reputation as the jumping warriors of the animal kingdom. Number 18. Goliath grouper. The Goliath grouper is a giant fish that can surpass the size of a motorcycle. In 1961, one was captured off the coast of Florida, weighing an impressive 680 pounds and measuring over 7 feet long. Goliath groupers are not just large but also incredibly old, with some living more than 50 years. These fish are known for curiously approaching divers and can produce a booming sound underwater, similar to a drum. Number 17. Odin, the liger. Odin, the liger, an impressive hybrid between a lion and a tiger, holds the title of the largest feline on the planet. This majestic animal can weigh over 600 pounds, reaching sizes that surpass even its parents. Odin measures up to 11.8 feet long from head to tail, making it a truly astonishing sight. Additionally, it is one of the few white ligers in the world, an extremely rare subspecies. Number 16. Ankole-Watusi bull. The Ankole-Watusi bull is one of the most impressive creatures in Africa, famous for its imposing horns, which can measure up to 103.5 inches in circumference. This gentle giant, which can weigh up to 1,300 pounds and stand over 5 feet tall at the shoulder, is a spectacle in any landscape. In addition to its imposing size, its horns function as a natural cooling system, helping it stay cool in the hot African plains. The Ankole-Watusi also has a remarkable resistance to diseases and can survive on low-quality forage, making it a symbol of adaptability and strength. Number 15. Darius the rabbit. Darius, a Flemish giant rabbit, holds the world record as the largest rabbit, weighing 49 pounds and measuring an impressive length of over 4 feet. This little celebrity in the United Kingdom has won everyone's heart due to its size and gentle nature. Despite his size, Darius enjoyed cuddles and a diet of hay, vegetables, and apples. Unfortunately, in 2021, he was stolen and has not been found, which caused great sadness among his followers. Number 14. Jaipur the tiger. Jaipur was the largest Siberian tiger ever recorded in captivity. With an impressive size of 10 feet 11 inches long and weighing 932 pounds, this majestic feline made history in 1986. At 9 years old, Jaipur became a legend, appearing on television programs and magazines as the largest tiger in the world. His size and strength made him one of the most imposing and powerful big cats ever seen. Number 13. Manta ray. Imagine a manta ray so large that its wingspan is comparable to that of a small car. The giant manta, the largest of its species, can reach a wingspan of up to 29 feet and weigh up to 5,300 pounds. These majestic creatures, which feed on zooplankton, have a diamond shape that helps them channel water and capture more food. Their ability to swim gracefully and quickly through the water, along with their imposing size, makes them one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Number 12. Ussuri bear. The Ussuri bear is one of the largest and most fearsome bear species in the world. Native to eastern China and parts of Russia, these bears can reach impressive sizes, with the largest recorded weighing 770 pounds and measuring up to 7.8 feet long. The Ussuri bear is known for its thick fur, enormous claws, and varied diet, which includes both plants and meat. Despite its size and strength, it is a species at risk due to hunting and habitat destruction. Number 11. Northwest wolf. The northwest wolf, or Canadian timber wolf, is one of the largest wolf species. Native to the forests of Canada and Alaska, these wolves can weigh up to 200 pounds and measure up to 7 feet long. Females tend to be smaller, but even they reach an impressive height of up to 36 inches at the shoulder. Northwest wolves are known for their pack hunting skills and impressive size, giving them a formidable presence in their natural habitat. Number 10. Giant moose. In 2018, a giant moose was recorded walking calmly along a highway in Alaska, astonishing everyone with its size. This massive moose, which stood over 7 feet tall at the shoulder and weighed over 1,500 pounds, is one of the largest species in the deer family. Moose can reach sizes that rival those of horses, and their imposing size makes them one of the most remarkable species in North America. Number 9. Gharial. The gharial, a crocodile with a long and narrow snout, is one of the most unique species in the reptile kingdom. It can grow up to 20 feet in length and weigh around 2,000 pounds, making it a true aquatic giant. Its bulbous snout, which ends in a protuberance called an agara, produces a buzzing sound during mating season. Though fascinating, the gharial is critically endangered, with only about 200 individuals remaining in the wild, making its conservation even more urgent. Number 8. Tasmanian crab. The giant Tasmanian crab is one of the largest and strongest crab species in the world. It can weigh up to 17.6 kilograms and have a shell width of up to 46 centimeters. With its bright orange-red color and enormous claws, this crab does not go unnoticed. It inhabits the cold waters off the southern coast of Australia and can dive more than half a mile deep, searching for food and exploring the ocean floor. Its impressive size and adaptability make it one of the most formidable predators in its habitat. Number 7. Pacific giant octopus. When it comes to sea giants, the Pacific giant octopus is unbeatable. Although average specimens reach 12 feet in length and weigh 50 pounds, the largest can surpass 30 feet and weigh up to 600 pounds. This sea monster is a camouflage expert, capable of changing color to blend into its surroundings. With intelligence comparable to that of mammals, the giant octopus can solve puzzles and escape from closed tanks, making it one of the most impressive and cunning creatures of the oceans. Number 6. Giant horses. When we talk about giant horses, we refer to breeds like the Shire, Clydesdale, or Percheron. These horses can measure between 18 and 19 hands and weigh up to 2,200 pounds. The largest ever recorded was a Shire named Samson, who reached 21.25 hands and weighed a staggering 3,360 pounds. And let's not forget Big Jake, the tallest living horse, who stands at 20 hands and 2.75 inches with an impressive weight of 2,600 pounds. These horses are true giants of the plains, and their size makes them essential for heavy work and exhibitions. Number 5. Diamond squid. The diamond squid is an impressive marine mollusk recently captured off the coast of Hawaii in 2023. This specimen weighed 33 pounds and measured almost 5 feet in length. However, the giant squid, a close relative, can grow up to 45 feet long and weigh up to 600 pounds. With eyes the size of dinner plates and 3 hearts, these squids are some of the strangest and most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Their size and adaptive abilities in the deep sea remain a mystery to scientists. Number 4. Mola. The mola, also known as the ocean's sunfish, is the largest bony fish in the world. It can grow up to 11 feet long and weigh up to 5,000 pounds. This flat, oval-shaped fish is famous for its habit of sunbathing at the water's surface, earning it the nickname sunfish. Its diet primarily consists of jellyfish, squid, and other marine animals, and it has a superpower in its stomach, a mucus coating that protects it from jellyfish stings, even after consuming them. Furthermore, it produces a staggering 300 million eggs at once, making it a prolific breeder. Number 3. Leatherback turtle. The leatherback turtle is the largest turtle on the planet, with an impressive weight of up to 2,000 pounds and a length of up to 8 feet. Its dark black or grey shell, covered with white spots, makes it look like a prehistoric creature. This turtle is also one of the ocean's champions, capable of diving to depths of up to 4,200 feet, much deeper than any other reptile. In addition, it has a voracious appetite, devouring up to 73% of its body weight in jellyfish every day. Number 2. Shoebill. The shoebill, or moon shoe, is an impressive bird found in the wetlands of East Africa's tropics. Standing up to 1.5 meters tall and weighing up to 7 kilograms, this feathered giant stands out with its enormous shoe-shaped beak, giving it an imposing appearance. Its diet includes fish, amphibians, reptiles, and even small mammals, making it a formidable hunter. Known for its unique appearance, it is also characterized by its solitary nature, rarely associating with other birds. Number 1. Brahma chicken. The Brahma chicken is a giant of the poultry world, reaching heights of more than 2.5 feet and weighing between 8 to 12 pounds. Its robust body with feathered legs gives it a majestic, almost royal appearance. Despite its size, it is known for being calm and friendly, making it an excellent pet. In addition to its imposing presence, the Brahma chicken is an excellent egg producer, with an egg-laying rate of about 200 eggs per year. Hardy in cold temperatures, this chicken can adapt to chilly climates, making it ideal for breeders in areas with harsh winters. And there you have it, folks. After this epic journey, we've witnessed creatures that defy our imagination and remind us of how amazing our planet is. From the deepest seas to the highest skies, nature continues to amaze us with its grandeur. If you were impressed by everything we've seen today, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to keep up with more content like this. Let us know in the comments which of these giant creatures left you most astonished. See you in the next video as we continue exploring the wonders of the world.